Hello everyone. So start off by taking a semicircular sheet of paper and then add black dots all over it and then stick it on a black sheet of paper. Add eyes and a head and you have yourself a beetle. Don't forget to add the legs. Next, take a green sheet of paper that is curved in nature and then add multiple cuts in it. This will make the bottom of the grass. Then take a black strip of paper and then roll it over a pencil, make the body as well as the head, add some legs and there you have it. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of blue paper and then stick different heart shapes all around it. Add an emoji in the center as well as stem and leaves. Next, take an eggshell and then cut out the top. Line it with some tissue and then add some water in it. This is so that it doesn't fall over. Then take a marker and then draw different things on it. We have chosen to add a small little smiley as well as a green leaf enveloping it. Then take a sheet of paper and then fold it over and then cut it out in the shape of a flower. Then add some slits and stick it together and use it as a hat. Next, take a green sheet of paper and then fold it over multiple times in order to make a fan-like shape. Then take a red sheet of paper and do the same with it. Add the small green sheet of paper over the red sheet of paper and then tape the top. Fan it out. Then add a head as well as some hair on top and then stick it on the dress that you have made. It should look like this. For our next craft, take 2 strips of green paper and then fold them one on top of the other. Then take a red strip of paper and then fold it as such, make it into the shape of a petal and add a yellow center to it with a face. Stick it on top of the spring. For our next craft, take any sort of big seed and then add eyes as well as ears and a nose to it. To make it cuter, add wings. For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper that has a lot of tape on it and then stick the colors of the rainbow on it. Roll it on a surface and then add some cotton around it to make it look like clouds. Next, take a green sheet of paper with multiple lines on it and according to the lines that you have created, make slits in it. Then add tape on one of the sides and then stick the paper forward. Roll the paper in on itself. Then take a blue sheet of paper, a very small sheet, and then fold it in as such. Fold it over in half and then cut it out. You should get a flower-like shape and then stick a white star in the center. Repeat this to make multiple flowers. For our next craft, draw 2 mermaids side by side, one with its eyes closed and one with its eyes open. Then stick them on one another but not with glue and then roll it over the other for this effect. For our next craft, take some tissue paper and then fold it in half. Fold it into a square and then make a narrower diamond-like shape out of it. Tie a thread at the edge of it and then add something in the center in a ball-like shape and then tie it around it. Add some thread once again at the bottom of this ball-like structure. Spread out the sides as wings and then add thread at the lower bottom as well. Color it in as you like. Next, take a red sheet of paper, fold it into half, and then fold in the corners upwards as well as the sides. Make a cross in the part that they intersect, and then fold it over from the other side. Fold this into half and make a conical shape and then cut it out. This is the shape that should be formed. Then fold over the bottom as such, and then repeat this on all 4 of the sides. Once you have made the imprints, fold it into half, and then repeat this on the other side as well. Rather, do this on all 4 sides. Using the imprints and the patterns that you have made, fold it accordingly. Once you fold it in, it should give you a star-like shape with some protruding edges. Fold the sides over to give it a better, more sleek look, and then insert one into the other and there you're done with your star. Next, take a blue sheet of paper and then cut it out into the shape of a circle. Stick your star on it and then add some fire-like shapes on the side and add a stem and a bow as well to it. Thank you for watching.